So at this point, what I'm gonna do is you'll probably see me next on the road. Hey, yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right, as promised, I'm on the road. So it is just about 3:30 in the afternoon on Saturday. I have everything, I have the Cambro full of the whole brisket and the au jus for my customer. I have a cooler full of the chicken and the brisket for my aunt. And let's get it. So first stop, I need to go get fuel for the van. I'm at a half a tank, and I know that'll get me a ways, but I'd rather fill up when I know I can get it cheaper. Later. That's what I'm talking about. In and out in all of 10 minutes, and we are done. Another happy, satisfied, returning customer. That's what I like to see. So at this point, I'm getting ready to make a stop. I think I'm gonna try to get like something to drink. I don't need anything to eat, I ate already. And then I'm gonna head out towards Pittsburgh. So I think I may start a live stream in about an hour or so. So hopefully you guys, you guys will see yourselves on a live stream or join me in a live stream in about an hour or so, once I get kind of settled on the road. So I'll see you guys then. Hey, say hi to yourselves. Like you can see the camera there, hopefully. Come on. Somebody asked me recently when the next time you were gonna start in a live stream. So let's see. There's Eric there, there's Jack there, there's Jerry there. What's going on? Eric's funny. He's saying hi to himself, like, hey, self. Alright, back on the stream. Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I got cut off. So did you guys. So I am driving through the Allegheny Mountain Tunnel at the moment. Look at those icicles. Woo! We are chugging along. I'm about an hour and a half away from my aunt's house. We're just gonna keep on keeping on. Good morning! So it is Sunday morning, and I am on my way to Ohio. I had a great breakfast with my aunt. When I got to my aunt's house last night, it was rather late, and we just chilled and talked. We watched Netflix series, or the Netflix series, or I guess something on Netflix called You. So that was good. We watched that for a while. Went to bed, got up this morning. We had breakfast, or we went to breakfast, which was awesome. So can't thank my aunt enough for that. And I am on my way. Next update, when I get to the dude's house and I drop these machines off. See y'all soon.
Welcome to Ohio.
Let me lift up. I got it.
Oh, you got it?
Yep. Yeah, they're plastic back to where it should. Yep.
These are, I'm going to do it later, but these are going, I got to run my car and all that, so no big deal.
said these wheels are a little wonky. What's that? He said the wheels were a little wonky, so he said don't trust them 100%.
Yes, I'm glad it worked out too, trust me.
All right, and just like that, we are done. So there is Baby Miss Pac-Man or something back there, and there's another game. I don't even really care or look at the games too much. But time for me to get back on the road. Love it. So unless anything interesting happens, actually, I know for sure I need to get fuel. So next time I talk to you guys will be when I get fuel. All right, fuel stop. So fuel is more expensive in Pennsylvania than it is in Ohio. So I'm gonna get fuel in Ohio. It's $2.99 a gallon. And I'm at 3/4, well, I'm at 1/4 of a tank. But 3/4 of a tank to get up here. Let's see, what was my, let's turn this off for a second. 429 miles so far. So we see how much it takes to fill it up. But we're doing well from my little scan gauge, and of course it just went off. I think I'm averaging like 19, high 19s, or excuse me, mid to like mid 19s maybe. But that's pretty decent considering I was laden, and now we are clear in the back there. So I'm hoping to get better fuel economy going home, though I kind of have a feeling I'm gonna be driving a little faster because I want to hurry up and get home. I'll update you guys once I top it off. All right, it doesn't get much fuller than that. 27.3 gallons. Yes, I need a receipt. All right, so we have a nice full tank, and the mileage was 429.5. So I'll do the math and I'll put it on the screen here. I'm gonna go inside, get some coffee, and then I'm gonna be on the road for a couple hours. I'll see y'all if anything else happens.
Signal lost.
Goodness. 2 hours in. I'm in Somerset, Pennsylvania. Time for a pee break. Hopefully you guys can understand. Energy drink and coffee are catching up with me. So we're going into the South Midway Plaza, and we're still making a pretty decent time. There's some traffic a little closer to home, so my time keeps going up and not down. So I'll catch y'all up in a bit. All right, headed back to the van. Woo, there she is. And I think I said Somerset, but I'm in Bedford. I saw it on the sign when I was walking out. I'm in Bedford, Pennsylvania. Nonetheless, back on the road. 2 hours to go. 2 hours. Let's get it done. I am home. There's a better light this way. So I just want to take a moment to thank Vanna for taking me all the way to Ohio and back with 0 issues. I did it in a little over or a little less than a half a tank, and that return leg from when I got fuel was 296 miles, and we put 725 miles. We put 725 miles on the van all told. Whew. I'm tired. I'm gonna go in the house, hit the head, and then I have a basketball game to go to. I made it home in exactly the time I needed to. So as always, thank you so very much for watching this. I'm sure it's a pretty long video. If you have any questions or if you like what you saw, you learned something today, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button on the way out. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.